Hello guys! Merry Christmas! Ayan guys, mag-open tayo ng mga gifts ko guys. I-unbox natin isa-isa kung ano mga na-receive ko this Christmas. Ayan. First gift guys is from June and Lynn Meneses guys. Ayan, tingnan natin. From Lynn and June Meneses. Ayan, paano to i-unbox. Tingnan natin kung ano ang laman guys. Yan, anong laman kaya nito? Oh, it's a Perry Ellis for men. This is, I think, a shower gel. And guys, this is a shower gel for men. Yan, lagay natin. Next is from Irene. This is from Irene guys. This is from my housemate here in the house. So merong live stream multimedia. Ayan, live stream multimedia production stand. So this is perfect guys para sa sa mga nag-LS. Next, oh, my 3-in-1 device, desktop charger station, charging station. Yan o. Pang charge siya guys. Pwede siya sa cellphone, sa mga iPad, sa mga Apple Watch. Perfect siya sa mga ganyang gadgets. Next. Oh, hoodie. Bongga si mama. May pa-fila na hoodie. Ayan o. Hoodie na fila. Yan. At may isa pa. May isang protective case for Apple, for iPad guys, for AirPods. Ayan. Ayan, thank you Irene sa mga gifts. Thank you sa mga gifts, Irene Pradel. Next, tingnan natin tong isa. This is from Ate Mary Ann Villanueva. Villanueva family. Ayan, may siya guys. Christian Crony shirts. Pwede siya pang patulog guys. Pang-tulog siya guys. Pwede siyang pang-tulog. Tsaka pa to? Towel. May towel siya. Towel. At may gift at ito? May card din siya. May card. May card. Basahin natin. To Marvick, here's to a season filled with warmth, comfort, and good cheer. May the spirit of Christmas brings you happiness, hope, and peace. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Villanueva's family. Ayan guys, thank you so much Ate Mary Ann and Kuya Brian Villanueva's family. Thank you so much Ate Mary Ann. And next natin i-unbox is from Kuya P, Ate Gigi, and AJ. Yan, thank you so much Ate Gigi. Tingnan natin guys kung anong laman. Oh! Ano siya guys? Northern Comfort Fleece Sheet Set. Oh, this is for mga bed sheets yata ito or comforter. Ayan guys, comforter yata ito. One flat sheet, drop flat, one fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillow cases. Yan. Nice. Yan guys. Thank you Ate Gigi. Next. Ito naman ay kang this is from Duaso family. Duaso family. And guys, may card siya guys, Marvrek. Tingnan natin. Wow, may ring light. Ring light siya guys. Ring light. Ano siya, malaki din siya. Malaki-laki. Oh, may tripod siya, guys. May tripod. Yan, tripod siya guys, oh. Yan, tripod. Ano siya? 3-way head, built-in level, 4 seconds aluminum legs, quick lever lock. Yan, iba't iba siyang ano guys, specifications. Next. Wow! Guess guys, guess na bag. Yan, guess na bag. Wow, this is nice. Thank you Ate Dulce and Duaso family. Thank you. Yan, thank you. Lagay natin dito. At saka basahin natin yung card guys. Nilagay dito is yan, may ano siya guys, may mga message. Basahin natin. From to Tito Marvick Mita. Yan, we are so blessed to have you with us. Can't thank you enough for everything. May God continue to bless you. Love, MJ, JR, and Julian. Yan, nakalagay din guys. Vic, thank you so much for everything. Happy greetings to you and yours this holiday season. Ate Dulce and Kuya Melchor. Ayan, thank you so much Ate Dulce and Kuya Melchor. And guys, lagay natin next. From, asan na yung iba? Ayan, last. Meron pa guys, meron pa. Meron pa pala. May dalawa pa. Ayan, ano kaya ito? Oh, I walk. Ano? Ito guys ay galing kay Eunice to Marvick. Merry Christmas from Eunice. Ano kaya ito? Open nga natin kung ano ito guys. Paano kaya ito i-open? Try natin. I walk siya guys. O, tingnan mo. Nakalagay I walk. Ano kaya ito? Oh, ano siya? Portable siya guys na power bank. Pwede siyang ilagay lang, isaksak sa cellphone para well ginagamit mo, nakaganyan lang siya o naka-insert lang siya guys. This is nice. And guys, ayan siya. Ayan pang ano siya guys. Nice siya, as in nice. So hindi siya yung tipong power bank na dadalhin mo tapos may wire, yung yan built-in siya guys. Yan, nice. Thank you Eunice. Thank you so much Eunice. Yan, next guys is from to Marvick. Merry Christmas from Tess. Ayan, thank you Ate Tess. Anong meron dito? Anong meron dito guys? Oh, this is a hand wash and body lotion. It's a from Time for Me brand. Yan guys. Yan siya guys. Mabango siguro ito. This is for men, so mabango siguro ito guys. Yan, next is ito na yata yung last guys. Oh, ano siya? Yan guys, anong tawag dito? Para siya, ewan ko, nakalimutan ko yung humidifier ba ito guys? Humidifier. Tapos may ano siya guys, may essential oil with coconut oil. Ayan. Ayan. Ang pangalan ng guys, ang pangalan ng brand niya is Joy. Simply Essentials ang brand ng essential oil. Yan, thank you so much from Raika. Yan, thank you so much Raika. Yan guys, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga gifts na na-receive ko. Ayan, thank you so much guys for the blessing. Ayan, bago ako magtapos guys, ito may question ako para sa inyo guys. Ayan, ano ang kahulugan ng Pasko para sa inyo? What is the true meaning of Christmas guys para sa inyo? Please comment down below. At kung sino ang pinakamagandang comment, ayan, mamimili ako ng 2 winners guys at magkakamit ng 500 pesos. Kaya galingan nyo guys, please comment down below. Ayan, announcement of winner, ipopost ko po sa aking community. At siguro sa LS ko din, i-announce ko din. Ayan, Merry Christmas sa inyo guys, and advance Happy New Year. Ayan, thank you.